Welcome to the Sun and Aurora forecast. Today is an active day with M-class flares. Active region 4513 lies 4 degrees north and 11 degrees west of disk center. It covers 190 millionths of the solar disk and contains 14 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is DAC and its magnetic class is BGD. During the past day, it produced 1 C-class flare and 2 M-class flares. Active region 4517 lies 9 degrees north and 25 degrees west of disk center. It covers 170 millionths of the solar disk and contains 13 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is DAI and its magnetic class is BG. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4516 lies 15 degrees north and 75 degrees west of disk center. It covers 60 millionths of the solar disk and contains 3 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is DAO and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4515 lies 7 degrees south and 2 degrees east of disk center. It covers 20 millionths of the solar disk and contains 1 sunspot. Its Macintosh class is HSX and its magnetic class is A. It produced no flares during the past day. We see 4 active regions visible on the disk. There are 31 individual sunspots. The estimated sunspot number is 71 and the radio flux is 130 SFU. The current GOES X-ray level is B9.5. The most recent flare was an M1.0 flare. Over the last 24 hours, there were 2 M-class flares. The chance for an M-class flare today is 55%, and for an X-class flare it is 15%. And here is the strongest flare of the past 24 hours we have footage of, an M2.2 event seen by NASA SDO across its ultraviolet channels. The solar wind speed is 297 kilometers per second. The density is 1.95 protons per cubic centimeter. The magnetic field is 3 nanoteslas with a BZ component of 0 nanoteslas. The current planetary K-index is 1. The highest K-index measured over the last 24 hours was 1. The highest K-index expected in the hours ahead is 5.7. Auroral power is 15 gigawatts in the northern hemisphere and 15 gigawatts in the southern hemisphere. Today, the highest expected K-index is 1.7 with a 55% chance for an M-class flare and a 15% chance for an X-class flare. Thursday, the highest expected K-index is 4.7 with a 55% chance for an M-class flare and a 15% chance for an X-class flare. Friday, the highest expected K-index is 5.7 with a 55% chance for an M-class flare and a 15% chance for an X-class flare. These are expectations, not measurements. NASA SDO AIA at 17.1 nanometers reveals bright coronal loops tracing magnetic fields in the Sun's upper atmosphere. At 30.4 nanometers, SDO AIA highlights prominences above the limb and long dark filaments crossing the solar disk. The 19.3 nanometer AIA view maps the hot corona, while darker areas can mark coronal holes with open magnetic fields. AIA at 13.1 nanometers is the Flare Watch channel, emphasizing extremely hot plasma in newly energized active regions. NASA SDO HMI shows the photosphere in visible light, where today's sunspot groups appear as dark structures across the solar disk. The HMI magnetogram maps opposite magnetic polarities, exposing the complex fields surrounding the active regions. SOHO LOSCO C2 blocks the bright solar disk to reveal the inner corona and material moving away from the Sun. The wider Lascaux C3 view follows the outer corona and provides a broad watch for coronal mass ejections traveling into space. Tonight's Aurora forecast plays on a rotating night-side Earth. The real ovation probability oval glows over the map, and significant cities are marked with their Aurora chance and local time for each universal time hour. In the north, Aurora may dip to Scotland, southern Scandinavia, and the US-Canada border, near 53 degrees north geomagnetic latitude. The strongest overnight window falls around 03 universal time. Now, the same night over the southern hemisphere. In the south, watch Tasmania's southern horizon, Southland in New Zealand, and Tierra del Fuego as the oval approaches 53 degrees south geomagnetic latitude. Current hemispheric power reads north 15 gigawatts and south 15 gigawatts. The ovation oval peaks near 14% in the north and 16% in the south. The Sun stands 1.011 astronomical units away today. Its light takes 8.4 minutes to reach us. Solar cycle 25 is declining from its maximum around August 2024. That is all from the Sun today. Subscribe for your daily space weather briefing and for the weather on Mars.